Hi, I'm Emily, Director of the MEST AI Startup Program. For over 18 years, MEST has trained and supported talented tech entrepreneurs who have driven innovation, shaped industries, and contributed to the foundational growth of Africa's tech ecosystem. But the world is moving fast, and Africa's moment in AI is right now. Last year, we reimagined startup training for the AI era, evolving our training program into the MEST AI Startup Program. We brought together 29 founders from 7 African countries who are building transformative AI solutions across multiple industries. This year, we're inviting you to apply for the MEST AI Startup Program. This is a hands-on, fully immersive journey from idea to product to market in under a year. You'll spend 7 months learning and building with world-class global experts in AI, business, and product design. Select ventures will then have up to 4 months of incubation, also guided by global experts. And at the end of the program, there's an opportunity to pitch for pre-seed investment. We're excited to announce that this year, the MEST AI Startup Program will be recruiting candidates from Kenya, in addition to Ghana, Nigeria, and Senegal. This means our upcoming cohorts will represent the very best talent from across East and West Africa. You'll collaborate with top talent from across the continent, build AI solutions for the world, and join a powerful community of ambitious tech entrepreneurs. So, are you ready to build your AI startup?